Good morning, Mr. Pottinger's class.
Good morning.
Today we are working on 4.5, converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Can you convert between the two?
Yes.
Is a fraction a division problem? Yes or no?
Yes.
It is? Okay. A whole number has to be above what number?
0.
Does it have any extra parts?
No.
No. A mixed number is a whole number combined with what?
Fraction.
Combined with a fraction. Is this a mixed number?
Yes.
Improper fractions, there's something wrong with it. Tell me what is wrong. Raise your hand on this one. Tell me what is wrong with an improper fraction. Really loud, Bobby.
The numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Yeah, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Improper fractions have a bigger numerator than denominator. Usually, the fractions we've seen in the past, the numerator was smaller than the denominator, so that was what makes it improper. All right, when we convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction, we do this thing called what? And around the world simply states we take the whole number and we do what to the denominator? We multiply, right?
Yeah.
And then once we get that, we go from the numerator, or from the denominator to the numerator, and what do we do with that? So what is class 3 times 2?
6.
What is 6 plus 1?
7.
That becomes our numerator in the improper fraction, right?
Yes.
What is the denominator, though? It stays the same as the denominator in the fraction of the mixed number, right?
Yes.
So to convert from a mixed to an improper, we simply go around the world, right? Is this the same as this picture right here, 7 halves?
Yes.
Is this the same as this picture?
Yes.
How many whole pizzas do I have here colored in? 3, and then I have 3.5 like that, right?
Yes.
But if I convert it to an improper fraction, it says I have 7 slices of pizza, right? Check this out. Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 cut into halves, right? Or cut into half. Awesome. All right, another example right here, 4 3/4. We go around the world. We get our improper fraction. Here's a picture. We good? 7 and 8, just more examples of around the world. How do you convert from an improper to a mixed, you guys? Say that again. Because a fraction is a... So this is a fraction, right? It just happens to be an improper fraction, right? Our eyes up here there? Eyes up here? So what number, when you're dividing to convert to a mixed number, what number of the fraction goes inside the house? The numerator, right? What number goes outside the house? You good? How about this guy? Can we use a calculator on this? Why? 2-digit or more divisor, right? And since we know that the 47 goes outside the house because it's the denominator, we know we can use a calculator because that's a 2-digit divisor, yes? Yes. What does the word is mean in math? Say that again. We cool?